Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my new wireless controller for the PS4. Kind of do an unboxing, hook it up right now, and see how it feels, see how it works. Mine's been having a little bit of problems, so let's check out this new one. Let's open this one up. So you get your Type-C charger. You got your manual for your wireless controller. I think I already pushed the button on it. Yep. And then you have the controller itself. So let me just kind of get a feel for it. So looks just as identical as the official PS4 one. But let's see how it just feels in the hand. Everything feels just the way it should. Let's get it hooked up to the PS4. Alright guys, so the setup for this remote control was probably the simplest. It was a literal plug and play. I double checked the manual and here we go. Alright, I had a little quick game of NBA 2K to try out this new remote. And as you can see, works just like a charm. Works just like my original remote. Really good replacement, or if you're looking for like an extra for maybe like a second player, this can definitely serve for that purpose. Alright, and just like that, it's already set up. One of the things that I wanted to point out, let me unplug this real quick, was it's actually got, and maybe the control that I had was a little more old school, but this one actually has two extra buttons back here, which I thought was a very cool function. And it also has your headset port right here. So honestly, if you're looking for a good replacement for your PS4, this is one that I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10.